MI-303B Heavy-Duty Tilt TV Wall Mount. Installation. With a stud finder, locate the studs and center the mount on the studs at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall plate to the wall and mark the center of the 4 mounting holes with a pencil as shown here. Use a 3/16 of an inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.2 inches. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the lag screws and washers. Tighten the screws until secure. For concrete and brick wall installation, also level and mark at your desired location, but use a 3/8 of an inch drill bit to drill to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the concrete anchors. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the lag screws and washers. Lay your TV down on a flat surface and align the VESA arms over the VESA holes as shown. Select the appropriate size mounting bolt and washer for your display's mounting holes. Attach the VESA brackets using the selected hardware in the matching configuration shown here. Hook the TV onto the top of the wall bracket as shown here. Tighten the safety bolts on the underside of both VESA brackets until the bolt is past the lip of the wall bracket. If required to adjust tilt angle, loosen the thumb screw on each bracket, tilt the screen to the desired angle, and tighten back down to secure.